jetzt nochmal Line Dance von der Catalan Country Nation Europe. Die haben sich spezialisiert auf eine besonders dynamische Form des Line Dance, den sogenannten Catalan-Stil. Und die haben jetzt nochmal ein speziell für heute zusammengestelltes Programm für euch. Musik ab!
I said, hey, sugar mama, I'm a gone one, gotta have a heyday tonight. So let's have a ball at the old dance hall. Later on we just might go make a little love beneath the moon above until the morning light. Sugar mama, I'm a gone one, gotta have a heyday tonight. It's a Cajun hold down. It's a Cajun hold down.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is over there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place that I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home by country roads. All my memories gather round her, mindless lady, stranger to blue water. Dark
two, 1, 2, 3.
I got a bus or I got a house, 'cause it's what dreams make you do. Hidden in neon honky tonks, to play it to a step or two. 200 days to 100 towns, bringing boots to a sawdust floor. While this six string calls my name, baby, I'll be missing this. Hey, Tom, honey, I'm a white line running down the dream on a long lost highway. Me and this man playing one night stands for some fans getting straight up sideways. Baby, I'm this strong blue crawfish, just one more day to get through. Hang tight, honey, got a pocket full of money and I'm headed straight home to you. Yeah, you can't hold me and I can't hold you, but 2 times on the way. When you're clocking out, yeah, I'm clocking in, getting ready to hit the stage. Just know they're singing along to all them songs I wrote about you, and I'll be saving all my love before you come Sunday. Hey, time, honey, I'm a white line running down the dream on a long lost highway. Me and this man playing one night stands for some fans getting straight up sideways. But baby, I'm this strong blue crawfish, just one more day to get through. Hang tight, honey, got a pocket full of money and I'm headed straight home to you. From the time I was a little bitty girl, my grandpa took me Sunday fishing at the river where I caught catfish by the dozen, and everyone was buzzing about the girl with the fishing rod. We laughed, we talked, and I learned a lot. I learned that people magazine cost 117. All those girls got nothing on me, like a little bit of makeup and a flash tank top. My dream boat on the nearest street. I could turn heads on the river bed as good as the girls in Hollywood can. Grandpa said nothing's closer to
ground, heart in the sky. I'm living life, not asking why. Wasn't raised on open fields or underneath the big blue skies. Haven't seen the world from every side.